This 2015 Caterpillar C9 diesel generator set is now available at Midwest Engines and Generators. It's powered by a C9 ACERT 8.8-liter engine, rated 300 kilowatts or 375 kVA standby, running at 480 volts and 60 hertz. With only 288 hours of runtime, this unit features a Caterpillar EMCP 4.2 digital controller, an Energinius battery charger, a sound-attenuated weather enclosure, and a UL 142 double-wall 660-gallon base fuel tank. For more information, contact our sales manager, Kyle Naomi, at 337-230-9630 or at kyle@midwest-generators.com.